Morning 4587. Beautiful day.
Lights out!
Oliver, it's been 5 months, man. Being out of control, I know it's not your strong suit.
Focusing on what I can control. Keep my head down. Avoid conflict.
Not fighting back. Never been who you were.
Star City continues to employ a zero-tolerance policy against any and all acts of vigilantism.
There have been no vigilantes in this city for 5 months.
As to the identity of this unknown assailant, this is someone new.
Oliver asked us to carry on. Sometimes people just need something to believe in.
I have to fight back.
Oliver Queen took everything from me. I'm gonna enjoy taking everything from him.
What is it?
The satellite. It wasn't just me who took it down.
Who was it?
Another speedster.
Hi, we need to talk.
Who are you?
I'm your daughter, Nora, from the future.
Anybody need a refill? Just me?
People call me XS. It's a nickname you gave me when I was a kid. And I'm kind of stuck here now. So, anybody know what to do?
This is so weird.
God, I love this place. I can't believe that's our daughter up there.
Nora shouldn't be here. She could Marty McFly herself out of existence. She needs to be with her parents 30 years from now, not us now. Nora, I need to know.
My poker face is that bad, huh?
Please. Why'd you keep this from us?
I think I made a big mistake. I'm sorry.
And we can't let this get any worse.
Here we go.
Now let's do this. I don't have a suit.
Actually, I have a backup. Total fan favorite.
The universe is vast. They come from outer space. They take our jobs, our culture. They steal from us. They hurt us. Look what they've done to our city, our country, our world. A wave of destruction this planet has never seen. We don't need their heroes.
When humans root out the invaders, we can be safe again. We need to stand up and be heard. Because divided we fall.
It's starting.
I am an agent of liberty.
This is my home. And my mission is to protect it.
No more maybes from you. It is time that people know that Black Lightning is back.
Wait. Before you knock me out, you think I can get a pic? And can you make sure you light up?
What? No!
Black Lightning, my man.
Do you remember why you became Black Lightning?
Your Black Lightning is back. This is a game changer for Freeland.
Excuse me? I'm not afraid of the 100.
Bitch, you should be.
Jeff, where are you going?
To get our girls.
They wanted us to stay down, to stay scared. Well, I'm standing here tonight to tell you. No, this ain't the ride you want. We're gonna send the 100 back a message.
With Black Lightning's help and with God's help, we can save this community.
I got you.
I'm gonna take the stairs. I'm just getting back into this. Brother needs all the exercise he can get.
I am unlike other men. The laws of convention and morality do not apply to me. These are my streets. If the people of Freeland start to perceive we are no longer in control, then they won't fear us. And I surely can't have that.
He's supposed to be dead.
You need to take Black Lightning out. If I were you, I would use some of that albino magic to get it done.
You've got to be kidding me. It's gonna take more than a clown in a shiny suit to take me down.
I've been working on something new.
Ready to give this thing a little juice?
I thought you'd never ask.
I just found my new favorite thing. Damn, Gambit, you've been holding out on me.
So what do you see?
I see everything.
Can you see through people's clothes?
He isn't just Jefferson Pierce. He is so much more than that. You know that better than anyone.
And that's why I want you to stop him before he gets addicted again.
He was in a war to save this city and its people. Then he suddenly stopped because he was addicted to you.
As a neuroscientist, I know everything there is to know about the brain, but not so much about the heart.
That's a smooth line, lady. Just because you have abilities doesn't mean you have to use them.
Then train me. Show me how to do this. Young folks with outsized powers traveling the world, knocking bad guys on their asses. And then there are the costumes.
Jen has inherited abilities as well.
Jen is already too much to handle without powers.
Jefferson's like a battery. He takes electricity from the source and channels it through his body. Her cells are creating pure energy. Jennifer's a generator.
Why is nobody listening to me? I don't want to have powers.
You will live the life that you want to live.
I've decided I'm ready to have sex.
Black Lightning is a vigilante. He is causing more problems than he is solving. Put your hands high above your head.
Been a while, Inspector. Why would the 100 care about me? I'm just a high school principal.
Come on now, Jeff. We both know you a lot more than that. I am of this community and devoted to this community. And I promise the people of Freeland a better police department. Are you serious?
Consider this the black signal.
You still got jokes, huh?
We've got people running around with superhuman powers. They are bioweapons, and we have to have more of them than anyone else.
The guys we are going after, they are beyond the law.
This is not you. This is not the Khalil I was friends with. Please, you don't have to do this.
Jennifer, this is me. And yes, I do have to do this. Secure the Stage 2 pods for relocation. We are go, full tactical.
Even if you win, the ASA isn't going to disappear. If they think there's some kind of meta-human arms race, they are going to keep coming after you.
So that's it then. High-low tactics. Light me up, old man.
We've been given a gift, a blessing from God, and we intend to use it to protect this city and its people.
None of them are stable.
Okay, how do we get them out the pads?
The briefcase. I need the briefcase.
Side, baby, you're looking at the king of Freeland. First order of business, ripping the damn light out of Black Lightning.
Today is the day that we prove that Rip did not sacrifice his life in vain. And today is the day that we prove that we are not losers.
I love you.
And today is the day that we earn the name Legends. Our crazy plan to let Malice out worked. Finally, we're not screw-ups forced to clean up our own mess. For once in our lives, we are actual heroes.
All I'm saying is Constantine promised us magical monsters. So where are they all hiding?
I want dragons.
You guys are time-traveling superheroes?
Yeah, we've actually saved the world.
Really? You saved the world?
Oh my God, it's Paul Revere!
Twice.
Then why does it still suck?
4 years doing the same old crap.
Is that what I think it is?
Couldn't have been heroes for just a little bit longer.
Oh, relax, Sarah. We didn't screw things up for the better this time. We screwed things up for the more magical.
Hello, John.
Sarah, the darkness, it's rising. Malice wasn't the only prisoner to escape his realm when you decided to pull back the veil between our worlds. Throughout history, immortal monsters have returned to prey upon humanity. The only thing between life as we know and complete pandemonium is you bloody wankers.
The legends have things under control.
Show yourself, because I'm a nasty piece of work.
You will not escape.
The Bureau needs the Legends now more than ever.
We're a team of outcasts and misfits. You're one of us. I'm confused. We are all happy that there was only one dragon, right?
Well, it would be good for our ratings. But don't worry, we have a few dedicated fans.
I'm an interim legend?
Yeah, Gary doesn't count.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see more from DC's Legends of Tomorrow.